Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about R and R Studio, why it is useful, where it is used. Okay. What is R? R is a programming language. Okay, you can do performing a statistical analysis, data visualization, data cleaning, manipulation with the help of R. R Studio is a IDE, integrated development environment for R script. It is a user-friendly interface. Okay, you can write the code here, R script, you can run the code here, you can visualization here. Okay, this R Studio has 4 pans. You can see here fourth partition. Here, top left is called source pan. First one is so where you write your R script and you can run the code here, you can save the file here. Okay, next one is bottom left. So this where R programming actually executes commands here. Okay, you can type the command over here. You can type this simple mathematical calculation as well. See, right? And again, one more thing is top right, environment and history pan. You can see here what it does. It shows all the list of commands you have previously run. Whatever you are type in your source pan, it will show here. So no need to manually scroll your console. What I have wrote previously. No, just come here history panel. You can see the all the commands whatever you are write previously. Okay, bottom right corner, another one, fourth one is here. Lot of tabs are there. First one is file tab. You can manage your files and working directory here. Then floats, you will see the visualization here. Packages, it manages the installed all your it's a collection of R code actually in packages. You can install whenever you want. Help, it's a kind of documentation. You can click any one of these, it will take you to a one where on website, so you can read if you want a documentation. Okay, then now we are moved to how to import the data, how to describe the data, how to visualize the data. Okay, one by one. So first thing is we need to know which directory we are in. In that time you need to use the command get wd. I will write here. See, okay, if you run this code get wd, you will see which directory you are in. Okay, if you want to change the directory, you don't want current directory, so you want to change, in that time you need to use set wd command, and inside the double quote you need to give your what name, folder name. Okay, I will give here my folder name, so I don't want my current directory, that's why I changed. So you need inside the set wd you need to give a path, so I gave already, so I am run this. See, now I am in my different directory. So next we need to import the data. In that time where you are your folder is created, inside that folder only your data set should be there. Okay, in my case my folder name is R script. Inside the R script only I saved my data. Okay, now I will import the data. Cars is equal to read.csv. What it does, it will help you to read your CSV file, import your CSV file. Okay, so inside the double quote we need to type our dataset name. So in my case my dataset name is, I will electric vehicle dataset. So I will copy paste my dataset name. I will paste here .csv. Okay, now I will run this code. Now I will see if my dataset is imported or not. I will check. How we can check? We need to type another command. It's called view command. So inside the view command you need to give your dataset name. In my case my dataset name is cars. You can see here. See, you can see my data here. in source pan. So it's imported now. Okay, now let's go to what another command is head command. Okay, what it does, it will show your quick first 6 rows of data. See, inside the head I wrote my dataset name. If I run this code, see, you can console panel, you will see my first 6 rows of data. Okay, it's called head. If you want last 6 rows of data, in that time you need to write a command called tail. Again, give your dataset name cars. If you run this code, you will see my last 6 dataset. Okay, in my case there are 3022 rows are there, so last 6 data you can see here. Okay, yeah, if there is a huge number of data, you want to check what are my column names. Okay, what all our columns are there. In that time you need to use names command. Okay, inside the names command, just put your dataset name, run this command. You will see in my case 17 columns are there, all columns names you can see here. Okay, next, so if you want to check how many columns are there, how many rows are there, right, no need to count it manually. Just type print. Inside the print there is one command called ncol, n columns. Okay, it means inside that just put your dataset name. See, there are 17 columns are there in my case. Okay, if you want to check total rows, same print, instead of n columns, just type n row cars. Okay, just run this code. You will see your total how many rows are there. Okay, so yeah, next, I hope you get it, you guys are get it. Next thing is let us check. If you want to check a structure of your dataset. Okay, structure of your dataset, in that time type str. Before we go into structure, just we should install our packages. Okay, see, if you want to, first we need to install the packages. In that time, in console panel, just type install packages. Inside the packages, write gg, whatever the ggplot 2. Okay, if you run this code, you will install the packages. Install the packages not enough, you should load the packages, load the library. Okay, after installing, just come over here, source panel, write library. Okay, write library. Inside the library, ggplot. Okay, next library called dpylr. Okay, next library string r. Next library tidyverse. Okay, before you need to load this code, you should install the packages inside the console pane. I told you already how to do that. Install packages. Inside the packages you need to write all these names: ggplot, dpylr, stringr, tidyverse. These all are packages to run your code or visualization purpose. Okay. I will load this code first. Run. dplyr, sorry, my bad, not dpylr, dplyr. Run this code. Okay, now your all library is loaded. Okay, let's come back to this. We need to check structure of our code. In the time, type str command. Inside the command, your dataset name. Run this command. You will see the structure. Okay, see, vehicle id is integer. Whatever are in character, it's in character. Whatever your columns is in numbers, it's called integer. Okay. Next, we need to filter our data. We can see how to filter the data. Let's filter our data. How to filter? Okay, I want to know about Tesla car. In our case, manufacturer columns are there, right? See, manufacturer column. In these columns I only need Tesla data. Okay, how to filter Tesla? Just give a one name. I will give Tesla. Then okay, is equal to your data set name, cars. Then you need to write the pipe operators. Why pipe operators is used? It's kind of in our in day to day we are talking in English, right? In English we are using then. So pipe operator is like a then. So select the data set, then do this. Okay, cars. Then type filter. Inside the filter, what do you want? Inside the filter I want manufacturer. I need only Tesla data. Type the Tesla, manufacturer Tesla here. Then run this code. Sorry, you need to write a double quote here. Okay, see, if you get the error, it's very easy. You can easily find out the errors. If you get the error only tells you what you need to do. Manufacturer is equal to Tesla. Before I wrote 1 is equal to, but it's not. We need to write 2 equal to symbol. Okay, just run this code. In the environment pane, you can see here environment pane, Tesla option is there. Click that. You will see only manufacturer Tesla informations here. Okay, you can easily filter the data here. Then there are so many columns are there. You don't want this much column. You only 2 columns. You need only 2 columns. In that time, we are using the command called select command. Okay, give one name, random name. I will give selected name. Okay, is equal to your dataset name, then pipe operator. So for pipe operator, shortcut key is Shift Control M. Okay, I will write here Shift plus Control plus M. This is the shortcut key for pipe operators. Okay. Next, you can write the command select. If you write 2 to 3 letters, it will show. It will give you an option. See, I will select that select command. Inside the command, I need only 2 columns, any one of this. Okay, just given column names: model, manufacturer. Okay, I need only these 2 columns. Then run this code. See, again, environment panel, you can see the selected names. Okay, you already gave a name, right? Selected names, this here. Just click in right side, you can see the white symbol, right? Just click, you will see only 2 columns, if yeah, whatever you want. Okay, yes. Then again we move to how to uh, remove the duplicate data. We need only distinct, I mean unique data. In that time we are using, just type your dataset name. Okay, then distinct. See, distinct, what it does, distinct is helps you to remove the duplicate data, and it will give a unique data sets. Okay, distinct. Then again type your dataset name, then run this code. See, in my case, in console panel it already run, but there is no error is there. It means in my case, in my dataset, there is no duplicate data. Okay, all are unique. Then these all are like data cleaning only, right? Filter the data, selected what you want, and do remove the duplicate. Now we are going to, if you want, you can change the column name as well. Okay, so no need to do manually searching and manually correct the column names. In that case, just select the command names. Okay, inside the names, just put your dataset name. Okay, in outside, just you need to give your position of your what column names. Okay, just give a position. In my case, I will change model. Okay, so model, in my case it's a 3. Column name or my column position is 3, so it's before it's in model. My column name is model. Now I need to change it in model name. Okay, just run the code. Again, just rerun the names command. See, you can see here in console panel already it's model were there. Now it changed to model name. Okay, so like this you can easily change your model name as well. Okay, just move to how to make a visualization. Okay, it's very easy. We can do visualization as well. So now we are already run all our libraries and packages. Now directly we move to how to make visualization. Okay, done. So first visualization we are going to use ggplot. What it does, ggplot, for visualization purpose it will use, it's a most important ggplot. Just put your dataset name, comma, AES. Type AES. What it means? Aesthetic. Okay, what is does aesthetic? Aesthetic used for to set the aesthetics, means which column you are going to use. Okay, what column in x-axis, which column is y-axis, it will use like that. Okay, so aesthetic. In my case, my x-axis is manufacturer. If you want to continue to next line, you need to add plus symbol. Okay, next, geom bar means it will show which chart you want, bar chart, float chart. In that time you need to write geom bar, geom line chart, geom box chart. Okay, inside the geom bar chart we need to give a color, right? We are making a bar chart. For each bar we need to give color. So fill command is equal to which color you want. I want any color. I will give red. Okay, then another command is labs, labels. Labs full form is labels. You need to give a title of your graph. Okay, x-axis, y-axis. Okay, you need to give names, right? That's why labs are used, labels are used. First I need to give title for my chart. My chart name is number of cars by manufacturer. It will count how many cars are there. Okay, number of cars by manufacturer. Manufacturer. Okay, then comma, x-axis. In x-axis my column name is, my x-axis what graph name is manufacturer. Okay, then y-axis, y is equal to my y-axis chart name is count. Sorry. Okay, just run this code. See, you can see the chart here. But what happened here, in manufacturer x-axis all names are overlapped, right? All names are overlapped. In that time what we can do, okay, in that time all manufacturer name is overlapped. In that time what we can do, we should write one more lines of code. It's called theme. Okay, theme. So what is does theme? Theme is helps you to changes your appearance of your layout, or it will change the style of the plot. Okay, use themes. There is a command, axis command. If you write axis here you will see a lot of what suggestion. Okay, in that time we want axis axis dot text dot x. Okay, just select this command, axis dot text dot x. Okay, next is equal to element text, another column element text, element C, element text is there, element text. Then give a angle 45. Maybe you might heard, okay, 90 degree, 45 degree, like this angle is 45, comma, adjust. Adjust means horizontal, horizontal just is 1. This code you will get the chart, and already is overlapped, right? When you write theme like angle 45 and adjust is 1, you can see clear graphs here and clear names here. Okay, number of cars, how many cars are there, like beyond how much BMW is there. So I think Ferrari is in highest, right? You can see here. Okay, let's see one more graphs how we can do. Same method, ggplot your what dataset name. Okay, aesthetic. So my x-axis name is same manufacturer, Okay, comma y. So y axis name is price. Okay, price USD. Then after that, again one more is fill. Fill is equal to manufacturer then plus geo. Which chart we want? Now we are go to box plot. Okay, geom box plot plus coord coord flip. Okay, it's a one more command. So why it is used coord flip? Because of flip the axis, horizontal, vertical, which axis you want you can flip. So with the help of coord flip. Then labs, labels. Okay, we need to give title, right? So my title is, inside the double quote I will price by manufacturer. Price by manufacturer. Okay, plus theme. I already told you why theme is used. Theme, legend position, legend position is none. See, let me drag it for you. See, price by manufacturer, right? You can see this is the box plot chart, right? So like this we are creating a chart here, so we can easily visualize the data. Yeah, thank you.